Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I just made a delicious dinner. It smells so good, but I don't love when the smell lingers in the house. So I'm so glad I have my air purifier from AMEIFU. It works so great. Let me show you how to set it up. The very first thing you're going to want to do is open up that bottom compartment by just twisting it from the handle. That's where you're going to find your power plug and also your filter. You're going to want to remove it from the bag and put it back in and close it. So once you do that, you'll be ready to use it. Just plug it in. And you can also remove the film from the front screen to get started. It's easy to use. There's only 4 buttons, and auto will detect the air quality in your house and set the fan speed to whatever it thinks it's going to work best. And then you can also manually set it and also set a timer. And you can also remove the top compartment and add essential oils to make your house smell amazing. This air purifier is super portable. It's small enough size to be able to move it from room to room. So I have it set on the lowest setting right now, and you can barely hear that it's on. So if you're in the market for a really quiet air purifier that is going to eliminate any odors from pets, food, anything like that, I highly recommend this one from AMEIFU. It does a wonderful job, and that's my point of view.